Hello guys, my name is Sakode. In today's video, I'll show you how you can enable two-factor authentication on your Facebook account. So to start, click on any browser of your choice on your computer. Then in the address bar, you type facebook.com to go to Facebook website. Then enter your Facebook account and password and click on login. Log in to your Facebook account. So this is my Facebook web portal. So to enable two-factor authentication, on the top right corner, click on accounts. I click on settings. I click on security and login. This will prompt me to enable two-factor authentication on my Facebook account. So under two-factor authentication column, that is use two-factor authentication, click on edit. This will prompt you to use the method for you to enable two-factor authentication. You can use authentication app or you can use text messages. This verification code will send to your phone number to your phone to use as a verification code to verify your login, or you can use security keys. So here I'll use text messages by adding a phone number or linking a phone number to my Facebook accounts. So I click on add a phone number, click continue. This will give me access to enter a phone number I desire to use as two-factor authentication phone number or a recovery phone number that will be used as verification method to verify my login anytime I forgot my password. So it will prompt me to enter the verification code. So to verify it, I go to my phone messages. The code has been sent Facebook. That is 6-digit code. So I click on the messages. There you will find the 6-digit code that has been sent. That is 066187. This is the short code. So I enter in the column of enter code to verify my two-factor authentication or to turn on my two-factor authentication by linking my phone number to my Facebook. Now the phone number has been linked to my Facebook. I click on use this number. This will be official phone number or recovery phone number that I will use to recover my Facebook account anytime I forgot my password. Thank you for watching this video. Please kindly subscribe to this channel by clicking the bell icon to receive an update.